Well, guys, I just finished my activation over here at K2420, 20 miles south of Boston. Got a foot of snow, 2 feet coming, 60-mile-an-hour winds. Away we go. I'm going to reverse, hopefully, and well, I guess I can't do that. But anyways, I was going to show you the antenna setup and everything, but there's the truck, there's the plow, there's the antenna, and we're all good. And I just made my activation, so I'm happy with that. And the guys that checked in on CW, hey, thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate that. Here we are, Whiskey Charlie 1 November, another day in bright, sunny, sometimes, New England.